Hi everyone and welcome back to another trading day. I'm Johan Malan and today, Monday 4 December 2023, I have a few trade setups to discuss where my favorite directions will be long on the New Zealand, the Aussie and the Yen, and mainly short on the CAD, the US and the Euro. My first pick of the day is a potential long on the Euro Australian dollar. But before we proceed, remember that trading carries risk and never trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And at the end of this video, I'll show you my favorite trade idea for today. So let's get started and turn pips and points into profits. The Euro Australian dollar, if you look at the relative strength up there, the Euro has now taken away the bottom spot from the US dollar. Both of them are the black sheep, but Euro now even weaker than that. And Aussie still quite strong, although losing some steam, still up in the top three. I still want to be long up there with those. So on the Euro Australian, you can see the retracement has started now. Last swing here, retracement back to this market structure here. Picked it up from there quite a few weeks ago. And when it gets there, I'll look for some 1 hour or 4 hour reversals, and then I'll attempt some shorts. In the New Zealand US, we got this long and sadly it's not doing this morning what I wanted it to do, but we got the breakout on Friday. I did this on the live streaming where you can watch it every day from Monday to Friday and see what I do there. We had the break, the retest, and then we had a very nice piercing line coming up, and you had plenty time after that to get in. So on Friday morning we got the opportunity getting in. We're slightly back at entry, slightly underwater actually on the trade. New Zealand still shows all the sparkle, and I would like to stay long here. We have got the stop loss in. If it hits that, I'll look for another opportunity. For now, I'm just gonna hold on tight. If it gets back here, it will hit the stop loss. I'll still look for some long setups here on the 61% FIPS, maybe the retest here, but I think that time it will be the 61%. So that's what I'm keeping an eye on, and I hope for the best that it goes up. Aussie also very nice. Strong run after our entry, missed our first target. That would have been so lovely if we could have hit the target this morning. But as I said on the live stream on Friday, I said we could expect a little bit of a retracement. To be honest, this is slightly bigger than anticipated. I was hoping it retraces only maximum to there, but it's coming down even further. Still in the money, have trailed the stop loss from down here to that low there. So we got half the risk left here. Still a full risk left on the New Zealand. So let's hope there for the best. Aussie losing a little bit of steam, but still strong. So if it comes back and it retests here, got a smaller risk, I might decide to add to the trade, and then I'll go up the page with it yet again. It's a Monday. I usually expect a little bit of a sell-off on a Monday. Well, not always, but when it happens, I'm not surprised. But I don't think it should be a big follow-through. You know what? In the markets, anything can happen. Right, then next up is the New Zealand CAD. The New Zealand, very strong still against a weak CAD. Got still the pattern, we got the break. Now busy retesting. It's another way of getting long on the New Zealand. So I'm busy watching this. We got a solid break, 2 closes above. Now retesting. If I get a strong candle reversal here on a 1 hour or 4 hour chart, I'll then take some longs here and getting me even a bigger position in the New Zealand long. In the Euro Pound, big run on Friday. Euro now bottom of the bunch here, and the pound okay-ish, stronger than the euro, quite neutral based on the rest of the currencies. But with the Euro Pound, definitely something I can short. Fibonacci retracement market structure there. I will look at that area there. If it gets there, I'll then consider some shorts, providing that my relative strength still shows me that is the case. And the Euro Yen also a place to get short. Yen is gaining from the bottom 3 positions, running in a couple of days up to the second strongest currency on the medium and short term trend. And this last directional swing, very nice 50% retracement, will bring us back to this market structure here. I'll then look here for some shorts on some candle reversals. And the US Yen, US still much weaker than the Yen, and last swing here, the retracement brings us back to the 61% Fibonacci here, right at this market structure here. So when it gets there and it hits that lateral support or resistance level, I'll then look for some shorts on some bearish pattern reversals. then on the Euro New Zealand. Euro still a place to get short on the weakest, and another chance of getting long on the New Zealand. So a big swing coming in here. Two levels I've identified. This market structure here at 50%. I like this. It's a little bit beyond the 50, but okay. Support, resistance. So that's definitely something to watch. If it breaks through that, or even if I take a trade there and it then fails, I'll try my trade setup or my trade idea yet again at that 61% fib level. That is more my favorite level. It is a Fibonacci 61% retracement. So either one of these two levels, I'm going to look to short based on a weak euro and a very strong New Zealand dollar. In the pound New Zealand, you can see pound much weaker than the New Zealand dollar. Also swing market structure at 61%. So when I get that lateral support hit, I'll look for some candle reversals, top reversals, any pattern reversals, guys. And you can watch the live stream on YouTube every day from roughly 10 o'clock South African time in the morning until 8, 9-ish in the afternoon or the evening in South Africa. And there I show the trades which I discuss here. When there's a trade, I will type it there and I will show the live trade there. Right. The DAX, nice strong run up the page with a very weak euro. I would like to be long. The US markets also is bullish, so obviously DAX will follow most likely. And with a weak euro, stock market bullish. If I'm lucky enough that it retraces back to between the 50 and the 61% trade range, I'll then look for some longs on candle pattern reversals. And my favorite trade idea for today is a potential long on gold, but first, please let me know in the comments below if you want me to make any special educational videos for you. Also, if you are new to this channel, find this video helpful, you can support the channel by giving this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button so I can keep making content like this for you. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell to make sure that you don't miss out on any of my trade ideas. Gold, big rally yesterday together with Bitcoin, but long upper shadow showing the markets are not convincing they want to keep running at those levels. I had the opportunity of closing some of my long-term positions on gold up there. That was very nice. Now retracing back into this trade zone. If you look here at the monthly chart, you'll see strong run up the page, big consolidation, attempt 1, 2, 3. It's now the fourth one. Now usually the market breaks on a fourth attempt. That is a very, very strong indication of continuation. If I look at the individual candles, definitely doesn't look good, but that's just the 4-hour candle I showed you, just the monthly chart. So when it comes back to this resistance levels we had here at 2050, I'm definitely going to look for 1-hour and 4-hour reversals here to see if I can get some longs here for another run up the page. Dollar still very weak. Unless the dollar gain a lot in strength, I will stick with my guns on trying to go long on gold. But guys, trading isn't just about my insights. I want to hear from you. Drop your questions, share your experiences, or tell me which trading opportunities you're eyeing in the comments below. And I've been trading since 2003, and if you are eager to take your trading skills to the next level, check out the link in the description to join my mentorship program and support this channel by opening a trading account with a trusted broker from the link in the description, which I've been using since 2010. Thank you for joining me today on this trading journey. Don't forget to trade responsibly, and I can't wait to see you in my next video. Until then,